Welcome to the news update on television Nigerian. I am Chiwendo Osisiago. President Muhammadu Buhari has asked the Senate to confirm nominees for the Nigerian Electricity Regulation Commission (NEC), Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, and the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC). Buhari's request for the confirmation of the nominees was in 3 letters read by the Senate President Amulawan on the floor of the upper legislative chamber on Wednesday. In the letter, the president cited the relevant laws which empowers him to make the appointments. The commissioners appointed for NEC are Yusuf Ali, North Central, Chidi Ike, Southeast, Nathan Shetty, South Northeast, and Defi Akweneye, South-South. For the Midstream and Downstream Authority, Buhari asked the upper legislative chamber to confirm Francis Alabo Ogali Mustafa, Lawande Mansuru Kula, Bashiru Sadiq, and Zainab as executive directors. Emily Chidima Ozuchi was appointed as the executive director of the NDIC. The nominee will be screened by the relevant committees of the Senate before they are confirmed. The military on Wednesday morning engaged in a gun battle with kidnappers on the Bini-Auchi Road, an eyewitness reported. The scene affected movement on the busy road as vehicles halted the trip, adding that the kidnap activities on the Bini-Auchi Road has taken worrying turn. It was learned that one of the kidnappers was killed in a gun battle with the police during the rescue operation at the Ogbemudia farm. Data from the next year SPD Violent Conflict Database shows that in the 12 months to September 2021, Nigeria recorded 20 NAP for ransom incidents resulting in 2,542 kidnap victims. The Nasarawa State Police Command has recovered the corpse of one Grace Dauda, a 44-year-old employee of Federal Medical Center Jabi FCT Abuja. A statement by the Nasarawa State Police Public Relations Officer ASP Ramha Nassel said that the corpse was recovered in the victim's apartment near Goshen City along Abuja Kefi Road. The statement reads in part that the deceased body was discovered after some of our colleagues reported at Goshen City Divisional Police Headquarters at about 7 p.m. added that on that same date, the deceased was not seen at work and all her phones were switched off. Nasiru Sani, working under the camp of Bello Tunji, a notorious terrorist, is confessed to killing over 20 persons in several attacks across Nigeria's northwest. It was reported that Tunji has been on police wanted list, having participated in many deadly attacks on innocent communities in Katsina, Zamfara, and Sokoto State. Sani, 21, made disclosure about the number of people he has killed when SP Gambo Issa, the police PRO in Katsina State, paraded him at the command headquarters on Tuesday. A tanker laden with petrol exploded on the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, killing 2 persons. This was disclosed by the Federal Road Safety Corps (FRSC) on Wednesday. The Ogun command of the FRSC said the tanker, with no registration number, exploded with some few kilometers after the Shagamu interchange. Sector Commander Ahmed Umar, who said the crash occurred at about 6 a.m. near CDK Company. Umar explained that 8 male adults, 3 vehicles and a Banji motorcycle were involved in the crash. While 2 persons died, 6 were unhurt. He added that the fire had been put off by firefighters and traffic diverted. The Federal High Court Abuja on Wednesday ordered the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice to pay a fine of an aggregate sum of 200,000 naira to the 4 members of indigenous people of Biafra who were standing trial alongside the leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The 4 defendants are Bright Chimize, Chidebere Onwudike, Benjamin Maduago, and David Nwabusi. Meanwhile, they had, through their lawyers, complained bitterly that they have faced untold hardship in a bid to raise funds for the transportation to Abuja to face trials. The judge directed that the AGF should pay each of the defendants 50,000 naira for failing to conduct diligent prosecution for the inconveniences they suffered as a result of the absence of the lead counsel to the federal government, Shuaib Labara. And that's the news update on television Nigerian. I am Chiwendo Sisiago. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook at Television Nigerian, on YouTube at Television Nigerian, of course on Twitter at TV Nigerian. Do have a pleasant day. Bye for now.